So for this presentation, I will be showing different strategies for multiplication and division by Grace Wolf. So first, we have keywords and definitions. Multiplication is a mathematical operation performed on two or more numbers to find the product, also known as repeated addition. Keywords are product, together, times, total, multiple, multiply, factors, by, in all, area. So it's a factor times a factor equals a product. Division is where we divide into equal groups or share equally. Keywords are half, same, split, quotient, divisor, equal group, separate, divided by, distribute, cut up. So it's basically a dividend divided by a divisor, which equals a quotient. So my first method is equal groups and skip counting for multiplication. So equal groups is a hands-on approach where you can use physical objects like blocks to sort piles. So for each of these methods, I'm going to be using a student to demonstrate each strategy. So equal groups is groups with equal numbers of each formed by sorting number of items in each group. So we will first start with 4 times 3. So I will make 4 groups, each with 3 dots. This way, the students can count all of the dots to solve the multiplication equation.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Now we know 4 times 3 is what?
12.
Good job. Now for the skip counting, we will be using the skip counting chart to the left. We will be doing 4 times 3 again. So the student will count by 4 3 times. So starting with 4, using the chart,
4, 8, 12.
and then again with 3, we would count by 3 4 times.
3, 6, 9, 12.
So we then know 4 times 3 equals
12.
Okay, for our next strategy, we will be using fact families. So a fact family is a set of 4 related multiplication and division facts that can be used by the same 3 numbers. It reinforces the connection between multiplication and division and can help children memorize basic multiplication and division facts. If a child knows one math fact, then they can know all 4 facts in a family. Students can also incorporate family to relate to the real world. For example, a dad, mom, and child, each representing different numbers. So we will use 3, 7, and 21. So if we start with a house, and we use our 3 numbers, 3, 7, and 21. We have blank times blank equals blank, blank times blank equals blank, blank divided by blank equals blank, and blank divided by blank equals blank. So first we will start with 3 times 7, which equals
21.
Okay, so now we can reverse the numbers so that what equals 21?
7 times 3.
We will then start with the larger number, or the product,
21.
divided by what?
7.
Okay, equals what?
3.
And we knew this by the multiplication facts. We will then start with 21 and use
3
to equal.
7.
This shows a fact family. Our last step is repeated addition and subtraction. Repeated addition is adding equal groups together. So if we take 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, if we did 3 plus 3, what is that?
6.
Plus 3
9.
plus 3
12.
is 12. This can be written as a multiplication fact of 3 times 4 equals 12. Repeated subtraction is subtracting the equal number of items from a larger group. So if we were to have 24 divided by 8, we would then take 24 and subtract 8, which equals,
16.
and then subtract another 8,
Equals 8.
and then subtract another 8.
Equals 0.
We would then stop and see how many times did we subtract 8.
1, 2, 3.
So 24 divided by 8 would be 3. Students will be tasked with mental addition and subtraction facts to understand what multiplication and division is composed of. You can start with the fundamentals to expand upon multiplication and division. Breaking down or expanding each equation can help students better understand the importance of math in everyday life. You can also promote critical thinking and strategy skills. These are my references. Thank you for watching.